Do you own a swimming pool? Or do you sell, install, or maintain residential or small commercial swimming pool pumps? Then we have some important information for you. This information will help you comply with state and federal efficiency regulations. It can help you save money for your customers, and it will save energy and help make our environment a healthier place to live. This video is the first in a short series about pool pump energy savings. It's important that you understand the benefits of reducing energy use through more efficient pool pumps and motors. This means knowing what is required and how to get the best out of the equipment that meets those requirements. California has had swimming pool pump regulations since 2006. And since then, Washington, Arizona, New York, and Connecticut have adopted rules like California's. On July 19, 2021, the U.S. Department of Energy's nationwide regulations go into effect. These are similar to California's and apply to all products distributed in commerce in the U.S. These regulations use a metric called the weighted energy factor, which is an average of a pool pump's energy performance at different flow rates. They essentially require the use of variable speed motors on all in-ground dedicated purpose pool pumps rated over roughly 1 horsepower. The DOE is also establishing energy efficiency regulations for above-ground pool pumps, pressure cleaner booster pumps, and storable pool pumps, though variable speed control is generally not required. However, these other types of pool pumps are not the focus of this training. Variable speed pumps are essentially variable size horsepower pumps, up to the rated horsepower of the model. So, a 3.0 capacity variable speed pump produces a maximum of 3 horsepower at full speed and any size smaller than that at reduced speed. According to Energy Star, variable speed pumps use up to 70% less energy than standard pool pumps. They can save from $290 to $350 per year in energy bills. They run quieter, and they can extend the life of other pool equipment. When compared to single-speed pumps, variable speed pumps can provide even more savings, up to $1,000 per year, in states like California, where pools may be larger, are used year-round, and electricity prices are higher than the national average. Well, that's all for the welcome section of this module. Take a minute to answer a few questions and check your understanding of key points. Then join us for Section 2 of this module, where we take a look at the impact of pool pump energy use and the California energy efficiency regulations for pool pumps.